Back in 2012, I attended the workshop prepared by Babson College. Amy, who currently lives in California, was my beloved teacher. At that time, she taught me a very interesting topic. The topic was none other than marketing. There were only 4 pieces of marketing mix. I cannot forget on how she insisted on their importance while starting a new business. Nowadays, there are 7 pieces of marketing mix, and probably the list will continue to go up. In this video, we are going to focus on the first 4 pieces of marketing mix, and then the next video we shall cover the remaining 3.
Inepu.com, quality videos when you need them.
So, let's get started. Product. Some businesses start by producing a product. Others start by offering a service. Then after, they go ahead and try to find customers even when they have never made a research to know whether that product or a service is needed. This approach is normally not as effective as when a product is designed after getting along with customers to include what they want the most. If done correctly, the product or service developed afterwards will usually fit the needs of the customers. Secondly, place. Eventually, your product should be available from where your target consumers find it. Therefore, your business or its branches have to be placed with regard to the consumers. This may be just at your shop, via e-commerce on different online platforms, or simply your online shop. Thirdly, let's talk about price. The product or a service should always be priced regarding its value for the money. Though you might think that the cheap always will be good, but in real life, that is not always the case. Low price does not necessarily mean it is to be the best option available. If the product is of high quality, consumers will consider to pay higher even when they know there are some alternatives of the cheapest similar product or services. For example, our premium lessons are paid by different people who trust our platform and the quality of lessons. Let us take a simple example. If you have enough money now, which smartphone would you like to buy and why? Though we are not certainly sure about your choice, but we guess that your choice would not be the cheapest phone out there. That self shows that as long as you value a given product, you can even buy it on as high as a double, triple, or even more the price of similar product. This should be taken into consideration while setting up the price, as it will have an impact on how your customers will perceive it. In fact, one of the main beliefs of the marketing concept is that customers are most of the time happy to pay a bit more for something that works really well for them. Last but not least, promotion. There are various forms of marketing. Those include but not limited to advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and in more recent times, social media, which are by far the key communication tools for startups, small and medium, as well as big companies and organizations. These will fall among 7 pieces of marketing mix. So see you in the next video where we'll be covering the remaining 3. Thank you for watching.
Inepu Team, let the world know.